Hi everybody, it's Warren from Core Practice here. Thanks for coming around for another training video. Today I'll be showing you how you can automatically send out your online medical history forms. So the first place you need to go to is appointment and then calendar setup. And within this screen here, you're going to see all of your calendars on the very right-hand side. Just go to the three dots next to the calendar that you need to change, and you will need to do this for all of your dentists or providers if they would like this to happen. So the two things that you need on here that you need to click on yes for creation. So whenever you create an appointment, an automated email will be sent out that has a Google Map URL and a calendar link included for you. Then if you want to have that online medical history form included as well, you need to click yes to form, which will put the online medical history form within the appointment created email. So once you click yes, 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 you're ready to go and you will be sending out your online medical history forms through that email. And that's all you need to do. So once that's done, you'll be able to send it out that way and it'll be fine from there. If you've got any other questions or if you need some further help on this one, please feel free to get in touch with our support team. You can either go to our live chat or lodge a support ticket. You can also give us a call or email us on support@corepractice.com.au. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.